Home Remedies presents. Let's try this combination and see what happens. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will tell you about a remedy that is cheaper and easier to use. It has a pleasant odor that works as a room freshener too. And its effectiveness is uncountable and you will surely love it. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. In the ancient time, people used to use natural remedies to solve this trouble, and you won't believe that there are practical experiments without any failure. Today I'm going to make a remedy by combining lemon and cloves. You can try it right away after watching the video. What if you combine lemon and cloves? When combining these two powerful foods, they become an amazing repellent for insects, flies, mosquitoes, etc. Yes, that is a truth without any doubt. You can trust this. If you have problems with flies, before going to the market to buy insecticides that, apart from correcting the plague, also cause damage to your health, first try this home remedy that is as effective and powerful, and most importantly, it leaves no toxic residues as insecticides. It is important to note that the flies and other insects are carriers of bacteria and diseases. Just houseflies have about 1 million bacteria in their bodies, which can be transmitted when they sit on food, on your skin, or some other surface. How to prepare this recipe? To prepare this recipe, you need only 2 ingredients, lemons and cloves. The preparation is very easy and simple. Take 5 to 6 fresh lemons and cut them in half. Now put 6 to 7 cloves in each piece of a lemon. Remember, the top of the clove should be visible. After you have lemons with the cloves embedded, proceed to place them in key strategic locations in order to repel flies and other insects. This remedy works great. After using this remedy, you will fall in love with nature. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.